Wish I got banana.
They don't have
Let's go! Oh, kuya. Bakit ako? You know. Doon ata tayo. Wali ka. Kuya ba? Ito mo makakatas sa cart. Wali ka. Ako mo kung mag-sito siguro. Hindi tayo sa kanya para dahil siya.
Why are you walking so slowly?
Kaya tayo mo baka mag-diretso. Kaya kayo doon.
Ayun
Ito
mo?
mo ba yung hakbangan? O buhatin na natin.
Mom, stop videoing. Anonymity. No,
One year ba?
Just this.
You hear the lady?
Why don't you just go down the ramp?
Where's the ramp?
Right there.
May kwentang ganito.
Oh, I love the sun, da.
Still wearing socks.
Hey, I'll see Daddy. Hear me?
I thought we're building sandcastle. Just spin it around.
I know how to use these. I play with them all the time when you're gone, Dad. I did it. I think.
There's more sticks pa oh. Fix all the sticks.
My sandal almost flew off.
Lamig.
My sandal almost flew off.
See the water so cold? Sasasuluhin kita.
Dahil.
Parang mas okay ito kaysa dun sa original plan natin na magano'y.
Oo. Hindi, tsaka ito nakaka-relax talaga. Iba ang beat eh. Hintayin natin dito para sa...
No, Tresha, no.
Lisa, no.
Look, Dad, I want to say hi.
There. It's looking down at us.
Pero meron ka nakita ang pouch, Lo.
Meron ako doon.
Hindi mo lang nadala.
Oo, hindi ko na nadala.
Hindi niya ako ah. Sabi ko kasi naging ako sa kanya ng pouch para yung mga charger sama-sama hindi nakakala.
No?
Di ba? Hindi yung sa natin sinusuksok.
Yung pahaba na may zipper. Okay ka na doon.
Kahit ano ba sinalagyan lang ng mga
Charger
charger
ka din
eh.
Madami ka pang charger.
Ha?
Madami ka pang charger.
What do you mean madami akong charger?
Iba-iba pa ang charger mo.
Dalawang klase lang, Type-C, tsaka yung lumang iPhone.
Ah, 2 piraso lang.
Yung bag lang naman kailangan ko eh.
May isa pa akong maliit.
Yung maliit lang
Kaso
oo.
lang 2.
Hindi naman, kahit sabihin mo mga 4, feeling ko. Kasi para sa vape.
Ang cute! Ang dami natin dati no, no? Lahat tayo may peg. No?
Iba-iba-dami yan, may ibahan ng
Oo.
Maganda yung color ng ano, sa amin yung nature hike. Parang makintab na ano, di ba?
Hindi ah. Hangs. Sabi ni Sing ah. Kung kailan pa uwi, tsaka nag-exercise ah. Nangyari dun. Nangyari dun kay Eddie. Sabi sa inyo, wag, eh nag-aaway eh.
Ay, meron akong dala.
Go Eddie! Go Eddie! Go Eddie! Payat mo na agad ah! Ilang kayang kanin ang makakain nito mamaya? Tingnan natin.
Ay, alam mo, nakalimutan natin.
May noodles. Kaya nga sabi ko kay Carlo, kain na tayo, Lo. Tagal pa daw siya.
Go Eddie! Go Eddie! Go Eddie! Hanip na kapangalawa pa. Puli-puli ka ating kamamaya niya pag drive mo. Oh, hindi na kinaya oh. I will let you fall in love.
But pretend one of them has an evil soul and is actually trying to eat us.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yes. But as dinosaurs.
Eating here.
First, they stab a tree out of the ground and throw it at a.
I did bring a family.
Ito ka ba na asukan?
Sarap. No.
Never mind. This is not the book I was expecting.
Saan ako may pamba? Maybe I watched it. If you left it there, I watched it. It's gone. It's got washed. What's that? Oh, your squishy is broken. It got washed. Pero there's not. Ito din move here. We can move here.
Daddy, I think this is the first time burning my finger and it hurts a lot.
Yun yung...
How do you know I can it's number or something?
May number. 13, 14. Katabi siya. Nice play. C13, 14. Pwede ka upo sa labas. Ano wag ito kasi natatakpan. Big one. Gold. 13 may sunod. 13. I want this one. The bottom. Yeah, this one.
This one's ours?
14.
This one's ours?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Back.
Wow, ganda.
Give me that.
Let's go to. Does it have a key? Oh, there's this.
Tingnan natin.
Let me have the box.
Ready?
Ito.
Love,
Saan kayo?
try mo na ako if it's gonna work.
Usually try. Ah, go.
Wow, it's small. Mom, can I put
it's
this in your
cute.
pocket? Put it. Give it to me when we go home. Okay? I'm gonna make some.
Found an outlet.
Oh, move. Let me see. Oh my God, the bed is heat temperature.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
cute.
there's the blanket is heat. Here's the towel.
I want to see myself,
One.
but I'm too short.
Go to the bed when you're clean, na.
Dalawa lang towel.
You can go to the bed.
Excuse me. What's the daddy to the color?
13. No, pwede tayo maging isa pang towel. Kahit may bahay mo, gano'n na lang tayo.
Oh, this is the CR.
May bathhouse, may sauna.
Ah, talaga, Trisha, kami.
Guys, there's a big playground!
Come on. CR muna tayo para you know where to, ano.
Hey, you have to turn it on.
Move, we have to go to the
Wait, I have to pee.
Ako rin, di ka CR muna tayo, sis.
use your
Me also. Ay, ito pala, may sauna. CR na tayo, Trisha. Eh,
That's a man!
shh, ay,
Oh, God!
eh, di same. Tingnan mo. Ang ingay mo pa. Sasampal yung kita
God,
eh.
I thought it was men.
Hindi nga ganun. Halika na, magsi-CR muna ako. Bahala ka dyan.
Ay, nabasa Wala pasok.
Per grand.
And the Sunset S'mores.
and Geodes. 3:30 to 4:30. Ano oras? Ay, nagpas na. Tapos na.
Yung ano na nga lang, Sunset S'mores. Tomorrow, 9 a.m.
Half day or full day.
Yeah, there's some like away from the post and some.
Be careful, your legs. You're not wearing a leggings.
Oh, the bar cart. The one that you're looking for.
But really, and then I found where you don't love it. Drive toward that.
Exactly. That's why, like, I'm thinking about now that it's called like Russian River.
Galing ni Eddie mag-drive.
More! More! You're good!
Hey, Mom, can you give me my iPad?
Okay. Wait ah.
Okay. Can you get my iPad?
Yeah, it's grab it. And then that's it.
No, lock it here.
And then this one just moves to this.
Yeah.
And
No, the
then
other side.
the other side is good.
There.
That one will drop it down to where we need it, more stable.
I think.
A little bit. I don't know.
Yeah. So more stable.
Yeah.
Luwagan mo yan, Lolo.
Yeah, loosen up this end. So
Yeah.
we can both move everything.
How do we need it? Yeah. Luwagan mo lang para bumaba. Just push it down low.
Mine. Well, this one right here.
Because we got everything. So now we have space for ice.
Ako na tubig.
So hindi mo dinala yun.
Measurement to.
Ah. Ang galing!
Hugas ka ng kamay.
Astiga. Para ka ng meanos.
Wash your hands.
Ano siya, Sing? Parang
I don't think we need to
gripo.
put the pets there.
No?
I guess
I mean, they were, yeah.
may animals may ticket.
Ay, ito na pala may
Ang problema dito, Lo,
Ano?
ilaw.
Yun, Eddie.
Okay.
Nandun sa kotse din ni Ellie. Gawin mo dyan.
Lutuan. Para hindi magalaw-galaw yung lamesa. Mas safe solo siya nandito.
Para kakainan lang.
Camping, camping. Laksa. Water.
Anything else mapasok?
Yung baby ko, andun lang oh. Sarap ng prinsesa ko.
May Pepsi. Uy, nagdadyan lang yan. Ano yan?
Paano?
I moved in now.
Diyan sa upuan nila kayo. At least kaya kita naman eh. Uy, hindi naaabot.
How about my
Mas maliwanag.
Dad?
This one, because well, actually we still can see. I think that's good enough.
Oh,
Waiting for
we
it
can
to
open
point.
the door.
It's gonna be brighter.
John.
John.
What's in Guys, look at my tenty.
Oh,
Wala
ganda
namang
ng
oil eh.
tent niya.
Ha?
Sa gitna, para
Let's put it here.
may ilaw.
help me, Eddie?
Yeah. Watch out, Trisha.
Stay there, Trisha. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the soup.
Or hang it by the... Yeah, it's good right there.
Si Eddie. Ginawa mo na si Eddie.
We need a higher place. Diyan kaya sa upo. You're the one who did it.
Ganda, Eddie. Kitang-kita ka dyan.
Maui, wow.
Let me see.
Ito yung ano, o gusto mo beef muna para
Ay, sorry.
mabilis yung beef eh.
Saktong-sakto
Sabay na
sa
sila.
panahon. Lamig.
Saglit lang din yung noodles eh.
Yan.
O baka nga mas matagal pa yung noodles eh.
Baka itang lipat na ko.
Baka isa pa, oh. Dahil yung plato.
Ito na natin.
Exactly, diba? Para isang tapon na lang.
So cold, Eddie, no? A while ago, it's hot. Now, it's so cold.
Kahit pala hindi lalaki lang.
Thank you,
Happy
Dad.
birthday to you.
Thank you, Dad.
That's why it's not boiling.
Papatayin na.
It's off already.
What are you doing?
I-clean ni Tito Eddie yung strawberry.
What the?
Cleaning.
Guys, can I tell you a thing that I used to do to Chris? And he said wanted to do like right under his bed, and I just went
To who?
like even
Kuya
right under
teach
Chris' bed. The Eddie. Hello.
At this fat house only. Oh, dito mo. You cannot go there.
Yeah, never mind.
Strawberries versus a wood.
There, it's not that hot.
Be careful, Tisha. Baka masas na si Tito Eddie. Ay, galing ah.
But we're so far away.
Baka tayo mo makikipag-away.
I'm scared to
Are we going to fight?
Why does Daddy have 3 of them?
Ano, Kwising, magpapigil ka, Kwising. Huwag kang magganyan-ganyan, Kwising.
Dito yun, naiinis ako eh.
I'm holding my extra
Wait,
chair
Cody.
only from
Magpapigil ka, huwag kang makip...
Naiinis ako eh.
Go,
Wag ka
be
makipag-
grateful I bring a
Yung
chair.
kailan nakashort ako, ang lamig naman. So, sabi ko
Trisha,
sa-
huwag kang makipaglaban sa kayuti. Hindi mo okay.
At least be grateful I bring a chair if you want to sit on it. Period. Period. What time is it? Check, what time is it?
Don't worry about what time it is.
Hey,
Trisha,
Happened.
you almost hurt your dad.
I-look muna kasi.
That's not cool.
I-look kasi. Say sorry to that.
Do we... So Tito Eddie can see.
Nalechon pa si Tito Eddie bigla.
What'd you say?
Lechon.
Lechon. I said lechon.
Your hand.
The thin one, Team Carlo.
The one I do.
Tito Eddie. Handi si Lechon.
Feels weird being alone here.
There we go.
Oh my
The
god,
thin
it's a
one, yeah.
burner.
The thin one, yung nakalabas oh.
Tulong.
Oh no, we're dead.
That's good, that's all we need.
O baka biglang lumiyab, Dad.
Madami pa oh, ang dami.
Ay. Yan, ilalim sing para hindi mamatay. Yung isang kahoy sa ilalim,
Hanapin mo yung
sunod-sunod
maninipis
yan.
para magliyab.
Dapat sa ilalim sing yan.
Bakit namamatay?
Oo nga eh.
Yung lagay mo sa ilalim.
Hindi, ayaw mo muna siya.
Do you, if you don't get outside? Boy, what you doing?
Get there.
Pass it on.
This one is fine.
No, actually, I want the big one.
There's good na. Eh, there's fire now. Diba there's fire?
It's in the middle.
Yeah, that's good. It's supposed to be in the middle.
So we just leave it, or do we
Yeah, just leave it there.
Excuse me.
Turn it off na. Look at the stars na lang. Wow.
Yeah, that's nice. Turn it off.
It's scary.
Turn ito para we can see the star. Ano naman eh.
Wala bang hood yan jacket mo?
Jacket
Han,
ko?
Wala. Okay lang.
sisipunin ka niyan.
Okay
Siya,
lang.
put your hood on nga.
Stars. There's a look at the stars.
Wala ka bang bonnet, Carlo?
What are you doing the hood? Guys, the fire's not fire.
Dapat may takip ka sa ulo mo, Han.
Okay lang.
Guys, the fire's not fire.
Relax.
That's good. Look at the stars. You don't need the fire.
It's not supposed to burn. Look at the smoke. It's getting stronger now.
Daddy, let's count how many there are.
I don't want to. There's a lot.
Just help me.
It's spinning, no? Yeah. There's a tornado.
It's only going to do that anyway.
Wrong place again, Eddie. The smoke's going to you.
Sit over there. They should turn off the lights. Really nice. Enjoy the vibe and then lay back like this or look at the stars.
Now my face is cold. Now it's not. So how long are we gonna stay here?
Just relax. Chill.
Because I swear,
Look at the stars. You're not comfortable. You want to sit there?
2 out of 5 people are literally using their phones.
Your fault. You just didn't bring your phone.
1 out
If you
of
brought it,
5
you're
people.
also gonna use. You cannot get a tent.
Wala kaming tent. Wala na.
It's fully booked.
Yeah, no more.
That's why you stayed outside.
Then we went home 5 a.m. because it was so cold. Yun yung first time.
Yeah, my face
We
is
didn't,
frozen.
we,
Yeah, I remember that.
we didn't have anything. Second time we were. It was
I thought the
perfect.
first time you already had a heated blanket.
We did, but it was still cold. Because it was not insulated.
What does that?
Good morning. Good morning, my love ko. Mag-bike na tayo, dali. Wake up na, my love. Good morning. Good morning sa baby kong maganda. Maganda. Wake up ka na, nak. Love. Morning. Kiss. Kiss mami. Ano si mami? morning.
Good morning.
Big guy. Ano yung big guy? Morning, Eddie. Morning, Sing. Ay, ang ganda, sis, oh. Dali, faster. Ihilang kami, Sing. Dali. Come on. Let's go.
Something went in my shoelace.
What?
That one.
O, di up mo. Sige. Ano mo muna? Remove mo muna. Labig. O, pala, jacket ka.
So bad.
Ano? Hindi sa bagay ito. Magtala ka muna. Okay. It's a beautiful morning. And then, ano ang comfort room? Ganda. Ay, balik mo yan doon. Dito ka na.
There's something
Ganda.
looking at me. Cut it like that. Hey, Mom. Dad.
Do anything. Should have taken your Switch. You have a Mario Kart game.
Give me my Switch.
It's at the back. No.
Help me. Whatever. 4.
Going up. You're guessing. Tacos. The T going up. You have to get it. Why do you cannot play it?
Is it nice?
Hey, you play it. What I
Right here, look. You see?
Did you open it?
Yes, wait.
So there's no hike. We're already here.
How about we
Ang ganda,
climb
mag-picture
all the
tayo
way
dyan.
up the lighthouse? That could be a small hike.
I don't know if it's open. I don't think you can climb up. Oh, because you have to pay. Ah, no. I thought it was a...
There's sea lions.
Ang sabi niya? Siyempre, remembrance yan. Ano ka? Alam mo, pag wala ka magawa, pinapanood mo sa YouTube. Maarte ka pa.
Yun yung gusto kong banlo.
Isn't that what we
Kaya ang ganda ng ID bus kamukha niya, di ba?
Pintaan ata, oh.
Ay, nakalagay, ground tours today. Free 30 minutes guided, oh.
2 o'clock. It's the time, right? 2 o'clock.
Yes.
What time is it?
Still early, I think so.
It's okay, we can wait.
For camping.
You can rent here.
What's inside the lighthouse? Yeah, that's good. I'm confident.
Oh, what's new? Copycat. And a scaredy
Ay,
cat.
Kuya Tits pala is correct. Why are you getting mad?
One from you and Mom.
No, I'm not a scaredy cat.
May tignis ako sa sakyan ko. Ang sarap monta lang. Ay, ang ganda.
Mommy, come here. I have to show you.
Teka, ito tinitignan ko yun.
Please.
One by one.
How do we get to the back?
Teka, aray.
What's that sound? How in distress. Why one? That's the air siren. Yeah. Really?
What's wrong?
It's half one steak.
Yeah, there one. Wala na? Only that? How about this one? It is has a sound? I know. How about the whales?
Mommy.
No one's come in and told me anything this morning, but I have a volunteer back on the back deck and whales and she wasn't. So she might go out there and ask, she might, because no one's come and told me.
Gising sunod ako. Pigeon points. Yes. Oh, ganda. Mm-hmm.
Look at him.
Daddy.
They're sunbathing.
Why are they?
Because they're sunbathing.
I don't know what that is. What's sunbathing?
Like trying with the sun.
Imagine someone climbs over the rail and they just slip
Yeah, they will fall.
when they die.
I can throw it over. No. I'll throw you over. They can pick it up. So what it was there.
Mommy.
Hey there, God, see? Did you see it? When he woke up, he's the only one remaining there. There's left here. What does the one in the middle? So many birds. Because he's crying now when we went.
Oh my god, it's close. Oh my god, it's like halfway there.
You're the one who was
Wait, can you help me get that twig? Like,
They planted it.
or maybe that yellow flower?
You get it.
No. How just get me one leaf?
Oh, stop that. You're not supposed to break the plants.
I just need to throw it in the water.
You're not supposed to break the plants.
Only cup. Yeah. Now what? Now what?
No, there is nothing. Not going to do.
Wait, let me just take my. No!
I got it.
No! Give my khaki back. It's very clear. Not as good as yours. I got it. Whoop!
Baliena. News. There's Tito Eddie. You lost. Stop touching things. Look only. Stop touching things.
Wait, can I open this? It's a book. It's a flip book. Whoa.
Ay, ang cute naman ito.
Mommy, come here, look. It's next to me. Look.
Oh, cute.
I'm gonna show you the.
May iba pa kaya? Wala na.
Check mo.
Look, short teeth. Ito siya, short teeth.
Ganda bahay mo, ganyan, no? Puro bulaklak yung gilid. Oh. Ay, ang ganda. Oh my.
Nice. Ano binili mo?
Sige.
There's a ramp.
So many stickers. Almost broke it.
Mahulog pa.
The drama be like.
Propose daw with the roly-poly.
Down on your necks.
I'll throw it away.
Throw it.
Congratulations.
Don't worry.
Ayun natin sila. Pag bumagsak sa'yo yan, Eddie.
Where'd you find it?
Uy, si Trisha!
Parang ano lang, David Busters. Ayan nga, pero madami. Mas malaki to, di ba?
Uy, astig dito ah. Dami.
Up there, there's a fun ride.
Salamin. Oh, no shades. Ay, bukas na eh. Yung ano.
Ano yan? Parang sandbox?
Parang ganun. Oh, jump.
Mataas tayo, di ba?
Ay, sa taas, oh. Yung taas.
Dito ata yung... Oo.
Yeah, I know. Ito Eddie wants that.
Wait lang na, isa lang. Go inside. Okay, love. Ayun pala yung Pop Mart, oh. You wanna check later?
If you want.
Pop Mart. You want something?
I mean,
Love you. Ang galing, oh. Ang sila.
And the wedge.
Thank you. Sige, tayo video
Sige.
mo. Kukunin mo.
Sige, sige. Kunin mo singa.
Teka.
Parang hindi na umpisa.
Yes, sir. Put your
Yung sinasabi niya yung...
Ready?
Dati ibigay mo.
This one, shrimp.
Shrimp.
Mainit, look.
Shrimp. Teka. Hindi siya
Hey,
mainit.
watch out. Be careful.
This one's crab.
Okay.
It's
that's
hot.
crab.
Paano ba gagawin dyan?
Kuha ka ng isa, lagay mo dito sa...
Akin na.
Dito mo
Hindi,
lalagay
ganito.
dito.
Lagay mo
Para
ako.
mabutas kasi.
binibidyo ko eh. Bigyan mo ako niya. Bigyan mo sa kanya. Okay. Oh, dahan-dahan lang.
Mabutas.
Okay. Go. Oh, Trisha. There's a soup inside.
Give it a-
Gamitin mo na to. You use this one.
Careful.
Yeah.
Go na, eat.
Let's
Siya marunong mag-chopstick.
Sino?
I do.
It's okay.
It's okay. You don't
Oo.
eat.
Oh, I got this.
Butasan mo muna sana yung kanya.
Huwag mong i-eat.
Nice.
So hot.
Put a hole.
See
Okay,
the
go.
color.
Carlo.
You just pop in your mouth. Look.
Mga food. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Kaya na.
He ordered first, right? Why did you order first? He ordered first.
Saan tayo? Ngayon, butter
Kaya
niyo.
nagdadalawang isip ako mag-popcorn eh.
Ako, busog na busog pa ako.
Parang may ginangata. Kaya parang gusto ko mo ng popcorn para may ginangata eh.
Can I pass it?
Butter.
Uy, yung nasa labas.
Uy, ano pa yun?
Ito, tissue. Ito, hindi siya sa gilid. Trisa mo ba ito? Ayan, tissue. Urong ka muna magtitissue si Tito Carlo. Butter.
Do you want to go?
This home for me.
He's gonna class us.
Oh, you explain, Tito Eddie. You're going to drive down and you're drinking. You explain.
How would Daddy drive?
Uy, Mario.
Yeah, Yoshi.
Yoshi.
Drama.
Ano meron, uy? What is happening? I was saying, what is happening? Is there a fire or what?
I think they're
So I
late.
can run also.
I think they're late.
Kaya.
had to be a kid's room. Who's gonna go on the side?
Now sleeping.
6 yun. Yun. Ano, when your your proposal, that's the sound I will play. Uy, Toroy. Harapan. Harapan, be. Bulaga.
Dito ka lang.
Dito na lang ako sa,
O,
sige.
dito ka stage na.
Oh, sige, sige. Oh, doon ka na.
Next to. O, di mo view. Dito kan.
Okay.
But I want to go in the middle.
Okay.
Maganda dito kasi may tray. May ano. Oo nga eh.
Movie. I sing. Eh?
Supposed to give you this? I've always wanted more out of
Bo,
life.
bus na bus yung anak ko.
The more I've been looking for.
Bus na bus ah.
He was a good boy.
Simple lang ang buhay. Manood-nood lang kami. Bukas, trabaho na ulit. Oh. Tasing. Bukas, trabaho ulit. Simple lang. Anak ko, papasok na ulit. Video. Cute na. Ganito pa sila. Mushroom na yung soto. Astig. Cute na mga baso. Mga cute naman. Kampay. Stiga.